Hey folks, it's Mr. Parsons here to talk to you about today's assignment, the Pick 2 on the theme of citizenship. As you know, we've read two texts that deal with this theme. The first, the graphic novel Illegal, and the second, the memoir The Distance Between Us. Now it's time to explore those texts a little further and look at citizenship and point of view, which is our literary concept for this unit. For this assignment, you've been given four options, of which you need to pick two to complete. Two of the options are fairly straightforward and similar to things that we've done before, and two of the options are really stepping up our game in terms of creativity. So let's take a look at the four options, and you can choose which two are right for you. Option number one is a simple analysis document. In this particular option, you'll see tables with passages from the text, and underneath them is a place for you to respond to questions about that text selection. There are three passages from Illegal and three passages from The Distance Between Us, and your job is only to complete two rows. And you can pick any passage, but you have to complete two rows on this chart in order to satisfy option one. Option two is a Jamboard, and this is fairly similar to what we've done in the past. On subsequent slides, you'll find an image or a text selection. Above it, you'll find a question or a statement, and your job is to respond to that statement or question about the reading. You also have an added wrinkle on this Jamboard. You can respond to a classmate's response if you choose. So in this particular case, the person with the yellow sticky note responded to this question about this text, and the person who wrote the green sticky note disagreed with them. Please note that that needs to be a respectful disagreement, and I'm sure you all will do a fine job at that. That is option number two, and that is where we start getting creative. Option number three taps into the musical side that many students have. We haven't used music in my class, but it is a great way to express thoughts or feelings about a topic, in this case, the readings that we've done, and the topic of citizenship. Using Chrome Music Lab, you can easily create a composition that has different instruments and can really go in a lot of different directions. There's a tutorial video on how to use it, and you'll see an example that I created down here. Your job, should you choose option number three, is to make a musical composition that reflects the experiences of Ibo or Raina in the excerpts that we read from the graphic novel or the memoir. And once you're done creating your song, you're to link it in this table and explain how you came up with your song and what was your creative kind of idea behind the song. This one is more challenging, and it's not for the faint of heart. So consider that before you choose option three. And option four is the final option. It too is a creative option. And if you choose option four, you'll be creating a thing link. Well, what is a thing link? Let's take a look at an example. A thing link at its heart is an interactive map. As you can see here, we have a map of Minneapolis, and on it are several clickable buttons that, when clicked upon, reveal a title, some information about what's underneath the button, and a web link that will take you to more information as well. You can also include images or videos. Your job, should you choose the thing link assignment, is to create a thing link for Evo or Reina, imagining that they were going to become, after their journey finished, a refugee in our city of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Where would they need to go? What resources might help them? That is the assignment should you choose option number four. Once again, there's examples, a how-to video, and those kinds of things. But it's a creative option and only to be chosen by those people who want a challenge. I look forward to seeing the creative work that you come up with, and I can't wait to see all of your different options on this assignment.